There you go.
Don't do this to you, kids, or not going to crack your. I cracked my neck in the morning and it hurts. So don't do it to yourself. Not even grandpa or grandma. Not even your parents or your dad. Not even your karate instructors. Say stop, and I heard a video to not crack your neck or not going be like this holding too early. So like and subscribe to this video, guys.